It's time for another, say it again, wisdom drop.
Hello again. You know, your words put your heart on display. Language is the expression of thought. And every time you speak, your mind is on parade, marching out in full view. Now, Jesus said in Luke 6:45, whatever is in your heart determines what you say. In other words, your words reveal your inner world. If your heart is full of grace, truth, and love, that's what your speech will show. But if bitterness, pride, or anger are hiding inside, they'll show up too. So before you speak, check your heart, because it's the source of your words.